What's happening, everybody? 3G Geek, and today I am going to be unboxing a pair of OnePlus wireless bullet headphones for you today. And with that, I don't even have a corny intro for you. I'm just gonna roll the intro thing. Alright, now, like I said, I'm going to be unboxing these. I'm not doing a review of them right now, because since I'm just unboxing them, I don't really have time to fully test them out and try all that fun stuff with it. But with that, let's jump into it, and we'll start getting this box open. So, I mean, it's not going to be anything drastic, I hope. But, ooh, packing peanuts. There we go. And receipt and all that fun stuff. Anywho, and yeah, I guess we'll just kind of keep going. No fancy way to really unbox this as far as I can tell. We're just going to be tearing some plastic off and all that jazz. Toss that to the side. Ooh, okay. So we've got some fun looking stuff here and some fun looking stuff here. This looks to be some sort of case that I can carry around. Would have preferred black, but the red is also pretty sweet here as well. Wonder what that is. Those are the different earbuds and that kind of stuff up in there. But that will be more suited to people's personal taste. And I guess if I can get... Apparently the case is not coming out right now. Come on, struggle bus. Come on. Well, besides the point, that is the case, and I mean, it's not a hard case, which also kind of would have been nice, but we'll deal with that later. We'll put that to the side. The main attraction, obviously, is the wireless earbuds. So, they kind of are sticking out right there. We'll pull... What? Okay. Bottom half. But how do I get this open? I don't want to... Oh. Pull tab thingy on the side, I think. Oh, this isn't important to anything. My god, this is really sealed in there. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, they just really want you to work for it. So, yeah, there they are, the wireless headphones, or I guess earbuds would be more appropriate. Open that up. Ooh, this is high quality shenanigans right here. Pull that out. Ooh, still love the black. Who doesn't like black? Don't want to pull too hard on that. That would be bad. Break it. I would be so pissed. Okay, and there's like a little user guide up here as well, but I mean, whatever. It's just a user guide. I'll check that out later. We are mostly just focused on the headphones / earbuds themselves. So over on this side it has the little charging port, volume up down, a little center button for, like, I would assume action items. And yeah, that is about it. Okay, probably typically goes like that. Fit in there. Ooh, that's a nice fit. I don't have any music playing, but yeah, no, that's pretty comfortable. And then, according to the little website, little magnet thing to help them stay in place when you're not using them. Really want to get that case. Okay, so that actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was, but oh, okay. I was wondering where that was. So this is actually the case. It's just all straight rubber, and it's one of the things where you just kind of like push to open, and it just opens, and there's a little magnet up top to be able to close that. And inside was actually the charging cable, which is super helpful. Didn't even think about it up until I got inside, and it is a standard USB to USB Type-C, so that's pretty convenient. And yeah, this was just kind of the general unboxing that I wanted to do. Again, I'm probably going to give my full review later on the headphones themselves. And actually, a little bit of a backstory. What got me fully interested in these was, oh gosh, I don't even know how long ago. Unboxed Therapy unboxed a pair of these headphones, and he loved them and said that they were amazing. They kind of disappeared off my radar for a while. I was just like, I don't really need wireless headphones. But now in this day, right now, I decided that I did want some, and to be honest, I didn't literally have to fight to get them, but the only place that I could find this specific pair of headphones was on the OnePlus website, and they were out of stock constantly until I finally randomly checked, just hoping for a miracle, and as it turns out, they were in stock and I bought a pair. But actually, let me check real quick to see when Unboxed Therapy, actually, OnePlus. Okay, so Unboxed Therapy did his video about 3 months ago, which is actually a lot more recent than I thought they were going to be. But besides the point, 3 months ago, let's see if there was like a change in quality at all or a change in opinion. They looked really sweet in his video, but we're gonna take a look at that and give my opinion on the wireless Bullet wireless headphones. And with all of that, leave any comments down below of what you're thinking. Do you like them? Do you dislike them? Are you just waiting for the review? So you see my full review, remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you know when I do put out new videos. And with that, this is 3G Geek signing off. Honestly, can't wait to try these.